Good morning, Malapascua Island. After the heavy rain last night, like proper heavy rain, life at the beach and the sun is shining right in my face, which is beautiful. And your face?
In my face.
Did you sleep well?
I did.
It's beautiful.
It was a little bit warm, but...
It was a little bit warm, yeah, but everything was fine. A light breeze in the room we had. But now it's time for Kalanggaman Island.
First I didn't think that I was cut enough to bleed. Then I saw my secrets getting swallowed by the sea. Through a telescope I saw a diamond glow. How you brought me home, I guess I'll never know.
Annika, what happened?
Well, I have no idea.
Tell me.
I don't have any idea. The boat just stopped out of the sudden.
Okay, to be really honest, so basically the boat stopped in the middle of the ocean, so there's nothing all around us. They're trying to fix the boat. Not really sure if they can make it, otherwise we're like Robinson Crusoe. I'm going to jump into the water and catch some fish with my hand and eat it then, quite raw. Joking, look, let me show you this. See, trying to fix the boat.
Paguyod na lang ta, doon naman na. Oh, aron dito lang baro si.
So let's see what happens. The actual goal was to reach Kalanggaman Island, which is right over there, which you can see, so we can almost swim there. Maybe I can get there by drone or something. Baby, shit happens.
No.
Oh, she's excited, or she was excited for the island, but let's make the best out of it. We're Robinson Crusoe now, baby. Baby, all good. So here we are, guys. We got a rescue boat, and actually we got a very brave swimmer over here. Check this guy.
That's the Filipino way.
That's the Filipino way, right?
That's the Filipino way.
So guys, we made it halfway somehow. So let's see if this works. Shut up, just my face. So this is our rescue whatever anchor.
This is rescue for, but later.
That's the Filipino way, right?
It's okay.
That's
already have a little bit problem about the flying like fly.
We trust you, no worries. So, baby, good news?
Good news.
See, she's smiling again. There we are. So we are being towed by another boat, by another catamaran, or however you want to call this. And yeah, and it says actually, I hope you can see it, guys. On here it says happy trip. So we're happy again. Finally we did it on our way to Kalanggaman Island. And we're going to show you the beautiful view later. So let's do it! So here we are, guys, we arrived.
Purple. Thank you. You got a picture, right?
So we arrived, baby.
Welcome to paradise.
Here we go.
We cannot swim there.
With God as my witness, never had it so good. Jumping into love, fires that's a dry wood. Started off as nothing, now it's gold, and it's all on you. With God as my witness, never had it so good. Jumping into love, fires that's a dry wood. Started off as nothing, now it's gold, and it's all
Good morning from paradise, Love Life Passport community. I hope you're doing all amazing. Greetings from Kalanggaman Island. We promised you to be here, and it is
Truly paradise.
I mean, paradise is not even the right description.
Unreal. Like basically there's nothing except of sand, palm trees and water. Coconuts.
We just had our boat cracked down before on sea. We had to get towed away. I hit my toe this morning and it was all bleeding and everything. And finally we got basically this amazing result of the day. Hanging out here in paradise and really enjoying the time. And we shot some amazing shots of Annika and myself. And the Philippines are just ridiculous. Like, truly. So what you want to do is you want to travel to Malapascua Island, right? Our personal recommendation is Hippocampus Beach Hotel, which is really, really cool. And stay there, get yourself a boat trip to Kalanggaman Island. You cannot really rely on the weather. They told us it's going to storm today, it's going to rain today, it's going to be lightning and everything, and well, I haven't seen anything from that yet.
I mean, there are some clouds, but that's it.
Some clouds, and that's about it. So, guys, we love you. Take care that you share this into the world, because these are places definitely
you really need to see.
Everybody needs to see.
Yeah,
it's just beautiful, like beautiful. So make sure you come to Kalanggaman Island.